Afternoon, it's Andrea Donaldson from The Art of Journaling, and I'm just here popping in on a Saturday afternoon to show you one of the little prizes that I'm offering for the Blessings Bingo. This is called the Hello Oils Kit, and it's a gorgeous little package with the lavender fields on the front, and when we open it up, it has a tiny little product guide, which is actually chock-a-block full of, I don't know, information about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, probably about 50 oils. A little page on each oil, what you might use it for, what it's made of, so what its natural constituents are, and the best results in using. So, yeah, cute little book, and a little bit about Young Living and their products. So that comes in this little kit, and then inside, and it says here, I don't know if it'll be back to front for you guys, selected just for you, 3 little gorgeous, they're probably 1 or 2 ml bottles, probably 2 I think, and they've got the Young Living logo on them, and they're actually a roller bottle. So whoever wins these, and there'll be 3 of them to be given away as part of the Blessings Bingo, you and I will talk and we'll decide which 3 oils you would like to have a little sample of, maybe oils you haven't tried before, or if you're totally new to oils, something that works for your life situation, be it for sleep or meditation, whatever. Anyway, that's the little Hello Oils kit, brought to you by Life Science Publishing, based on Young Living's Seed to Seal commitment. Have a great afternoon and a great weekend. Bye.